What the fuck?
It feels good.
Yeah, you got a little sour here.
It tickles, bro.
Yeah, you just got sour there.
Yo, can you stay still? Like a big baby.
Yo.
Alright, Adin, so lay on your side and face me.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, this one hits.
Yep. This one hits.
What do I do?
This is hard.
Fire.
Yeah, slide towards me. Perfect. And bend your top leg over your bottom leg, like that, just like that.
Okay.
Lay down like that, just like that.
Yeah.
I'll put a little microphone next to you here, okay?
Okay.
And then a little microphone. Get some
You put it in
sound.
my butt? The butt plug.
No, it's a good sound quality.
Oh,
look, it already felt that. Here we go.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Like yours just fell in a place too. You
Yeah.
feel that? Okay, here, let's do this. Lay on your side and face that way. It's the other side.
Adinross. I feel so lightheaded from that, like in a good way.
Oh yeah, perfect. Slide towards me. There we go. Look at the phone. Alright, bring the top leg. Alright, Adin, ready for this?
No.
No, you're not ready?
Kinda. I mean, fuck it.
Fuck it. Here we go, right there. Alright, so breathe in that for me. This will all the way up.
Oh! That was so good. That was really good. That felt really, really good.
Alright, leg face up for me.
Wait, we're doing the neck?
Yeah, we're doing more. Yes.
Nah, you gotta do the
Leg face
upper
up.
back.
Oh, face up.
Yeah.
That
Of course, yeah. Throw it.
And
Alright, Adin, ready? Put yourself like this.
Oh my god.
This is a much needed one for you right here. See this? Yeah, right here. Breathe in and out for me. All the way out.
Oh!
You're still alive, don't worry.
he's not.
What do you think of that?
That was crazy,
That
bro.
was insane, wasn't it?
That
That's like
was
such a release.
Crazy, bro.
Isn't it?
Insane.
It's such a release.
It's like literally a release, yeah.
It is. Okay, start for 2023, bro, right here. Here we go. In and out, bro. Breathe in and out. All the way out.
That one was loud.
Wow.
Yo. Wow, bro.
You gotta get on the facial, bro.
Yo.
I think I need a little more right here. Let me look. Woo, there it is.
Little chunk, yeah.
That's what I needed. Just that one little
was great,
extra
bro.
spot there.
Are you doing the neck?
Yep.
Oh no. Jeez, does it feel weird? Does it hurt?
No, I feel good, bro. I feel good.
I swear to God, it feels
good.
Yeah, it's a great feeling.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
I mean,
The
bro,
worst that can happen is your neck snapping in half.
chill, bro.
The worst.
Bro, be honest.
Don't scare her, guys.
Has anyone ever gotten hurt from this? Be honest.
No.
Promise?
Promise. But let me look first. Let me look at your neck. See right there? Does it kind of sore right there, right?
Tiny.
Oh, that
Right there. Alright, here we go.
Let me know where you're going.
Okay, just relax. Have a
Oh.
Damn.
I heard that.
How did that feel? Is it
Amazing.
I told you it's an amazing feeling.
That's great, bro.
Literally, is
I feel what it feels. I feel like you literally you get a nut off. I swear to God. Like it feels like you're getting a nut off. I swear to God. In a way, but like with your body.
so easy. All right, let's get the other side.
Okay.
It's just like that. All right, let's get this side too. Look around here, right there. Relax your head for me. Relax your head. Dude, that was a nice one. Like that's a deep like movement in the neck. And you look first. Like,
Okay.
Yeah. What'd you say?
I was gonna say you're gonna upload this and you're gonna have to be able to hear everything, right?
Oh, perfectly with this mic.
That's crazy.
Everything's gonna be like perfect, bro. You relax your head. Now, just look at anything else here. Actually, you did look so like simple muscles to kind of tight right here. These are just from gaming, but I'm just gonna strip these muscles. Just kind of like strip them out.
that's head.
Huh?
Oh my God, it
That
feels so
though.
good.
Yeah, for sure. Muscles in here, yeah.
Oh my God.
Relax your head, yeah. And then after this, we're gonna get your ears too, okay?
Okay.
You got your ears. Yeah, your ass. Yeah, he has to get his ears on.
You could pop
The
ears.
pop
Yeah, of
ears.
course.
What the?
Well, actually, I'm gonna do something else too. I'm gonna do one more thing on you with this little instrument I brought.
Wait.
Well, I mean, yeah, like it's a special kind of like adjusting tool that can like really be more detail on tweaking stuff. But I'll go over. I mean, it's pretty quick.
Okay.
It'll be quick. Yeah. Let me see. Okay,
You doing it, Mo?
No.
Here, so lay face down for me. I'm doing one more thing.
Face down?
Yep, face down.
Bro, this is crazy, bro.
What's the name?
You stand up and feel it.
I know, right? Isn't it?
I thought you were over here. Speaking. Wait,
Oh, I saw that. I saw that.
where are you putting that, bro?
This is gonna go on your body.
Wait, what part?
Check it out here. Well, you guys will see. It's just. All right, Aiden, so lay face down, Aiden.
Huh?
All right. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is just kind of like more like detailed tweak on the joints. See right there a little bit.
Oh!
You all right?
Uh-huh.
That's good. See?
Yeah.
Not bad. Just a little bit more tweaking on it. You're doing good. Yeah, and this breaks up with like.
Hey, why are you moaning?
Hey,
Blow my back out.
Awesome. Okay, so set up for me. I'm doing one more thing for you too.
Oh, shit. Okay.
This right here, you can actually go back on stream and talk to me a bit. I'm playing your deck to help out with like, this helps out with like pain and spasms. So,
What you gotta do?
it's called electrical stimulation.
What the?
Wait.
That sounds crazy.
I'm gonna electrocute. Wait. He deserved
It's
it.
good for them though, you know. Especially with all like the streaming, man. I'm telling you.
What the fuck?
you are found guilty. Well, all 10 counts.
Feels so cold.
Yeah,
Wait,
they are.
so you're gonna electrocute me?
Something like that, yeah.
What the hell, bro?
Why is it wet, bro?
Well, I mean, it's like a jelly substance that has to send the electricity into your body.
Okay.
So that sounds cool, right? No. All right, yeah.
Why else am I an RP chat? Is this her?
No, it shouldn't hurt. It should feel like,
Electrifying.
yeah,
Tell me.
like warm apple pie. You guys ever heard that?
No.
You guys ever heard that?
No, I have not. Never heard that in my life,
It's
bro.
like American Pie, but okay, someone know it. You guys ever seen that movie?
Wait, oh, American Pie?
Okay, yeah, it's all, yeah. Oh, American Pie. I'm just kidding. It's a joke, but just.
Alright. Whoa!
All right, are you good?
Yeah.
You can breathe. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try to sing up a little bit.
Put that bitch to 10,000 volts.
Is it good or is it too much for you? Because like I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 minutes. While you do this, and then I'll crack more of them. Okay.
Okay.
So is
Wait, hey, yeah.
is it too much for you? Or not?
I'll go a little up.
Yeah. Let me know what you can take, what you can't take. Are you good? Okay. Well, you're good, right?
Bro, I mean, like, damn, bro, you're really blowing my back out.
Sure. Okay, good. It's working. Okay, good. Perfect. So you're just hold it in your hand, okay?
Okay.
And let me know.
Bro, his shit's twitching
Okay, is
crazy.
it too much for you?
Nigga, what the fuck?
I mean, can I grab your hand for?
Yes, baby.
Just a little more here. All right. Who have I not cracked yet? Raise your hand. Don't wait your hand from me, okay?
Okay. Wait, I really feel it. Is that normal?
What? Is it too much?
That's good. It's good.
Okay, it's good.
Wait, Ant, are you gonna do it?
Yeah, he's doing it.
You're doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Woo! Guys, Ant's gonna get his back blown out.
Yo, hey, lay down like that.
But like, hold on.
Sit up.
Hold on, Aiden. While you're sitting there, let's do your ears. Ready?
Okay.
All right, guys. Ready for this? This is kind of cool.
And back blown out. And
Back blown out.
and back blown out. And back blown
All
out.
right, here we go. Check it out. If you want to come over here.
Yep. I'll just do the camera.
What are you
Yep.
gun, bro? Yo, you can't. What the fuck?
What was you talking about?
All right, check it out, Aiden. Right there.
Okay, that was crazy.
What do you think about that?
That was insane.
That was insane,
I
right?
feel like you just threw a rock in my ear.
Isn't that amazing? It's so cool.
Yeah.
It's actually so a lot of patients. This helps out with vertigo for them.
I'll be calling them to hear this one.
Okay, yeah.
All right, shh.
Here we go, you guys. See it here. Right there.
Yo.
It don't hurt. It don't hurt. It just, it feels so.
You guys all heard that, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if people like never believe that it actually does that. But
No, it really
now
does.
you actually do. Now
That's-
you know.
that's
Now you know.
crazy,
Popping
bro.
your ears is insane. It is insane.
How you do that, yo?
Don't get bro. Right?
That was insane, bro. Dr. fucking cracks.
Fucking cracks, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna crack one of them now. Ready for it?
Okay, so what do I do?
You
Just,
gotta,
You have to hold on to it. Yeah.
can I just sit right there?
you gotta lay down like your neck crack.
Yeah, Ant, you basically you're gonna lay down. He's gonna blow your back out, Ant.
Yeah, face up.
Face up, ass. Oh, sorry, Ant. Ass up, face down, Ant. What? He's trying to blow your back out.
Yeah. I don't like a leg straight.
Oh, you're right. Damn, I feel bad.
All right, so lay face down, come right here.
What does this do, chat?
Yo, come
Yeah,
back.
something with pain and muscle spasms.
Yo,
I wanna hear cuffums and noises and shit. This is gonna be funny. Wait, I wanna do Ziz. I'm gonna call Ziz down here.